Hello student, welcome in political science class. Student, today I have taken topic the organs of the government. Student, according the democratic system and non-democratic system, the organs of government is divided between three parts: legislature, executive and judiciary. And among these three, today I have taken the topic executive. Executive meanings, types and functions. And in the executive, the chief executive, today we will discuss. The meanings, what is the meaning of the chief executive? The chief executive is called the institutions at the top of the administrative system, which is the body responsible for running the administration. The chief executive is the body of the elective or non-elective person. Like in the democratic system, elective person will be chief executive, and in the non-democratic system, non-elected person will be chief executive. Like in India, president, the council of minister along with the prime minister, they are the chief executive. And in non-democratic system like dictator or the military dictator or the military general, and in China the chief secretary of the Communist Party, they are the examples of chief executive. Students, so it is the meaning. Again, the chief executive is called the institution at the top of the administration. Who is the top of the administration? They called the chief executive, and they are the body of the responsible of running the administration. And this chief executive is responsible for the running of administration, all kinds of administration from lower to top. All kinds of the administration will run under the chief executive. Like in India, the president of India, the council of ministers along with the prime minister. Like in America, the president of America, and like in China, the president of China. So, okay, meaning clear. Then types. According the word history, according the word distribution of the executive, the political scientists identified five types of the executive. Number first, presidential executive. Example, USA and France. What is the presidential executive? Where president elected direct by the voters or people, and president can ignore the advice of the council of minister, cabinet and other things. Means president can take any last decision without any pressure and without any fear, because this president had the power of the people, because president had elected direct by the peoples. So president can take any decision. That system called the presidential executive. The USA, American president and French president can take any decision, And second, cabinet or parliamentary executive. Example, India and UK. The cabinet or the presidency or the parliamentary executive. What is parliamentary executive? Where people are elected, the representative, and representatives control the mechanism of the government. Like the Lok Sabha member elected by the voters, and the Lok Sabha member are controlled the government's power. And cabinet can take all decision along with the prime minister. Prime minister is the head of government in Indian rules ideology, and the president is the head of state. But both are working under the presidential, non-presidential rule. They are working under the power of people's vote. If they have majority, then they can work. If they have not majority, they cannot work. It means in the parliamentary system of executive, the power of the executive is under the majority. And India and United Kingdom is the example of the parliamentary executive. And third, plural executive, Switzerland, where the group of the executive, the head of the executive is centralized, and very successfully this plural executive works under the Switzerland. And number third, communist executive. Example is China, previously USSR. Students, in the communist executive, there is no scope of election. The Communist Party leader will be the chief of the executive of the nation. Like the Communist Party of China, the Secretary General, because Secretary General is the important and superior post in this communist system. So the chief secretary of the Communist Party of China will be the chief executive who works as the president. And person can take all decision, person have no any pressure, no any fear of people. Freely works as the dictator, and no can deny the order of the chief secretary of the Communist Party. It is the communist executive. And totalitarian executive, like Pakistan, where elected government is there, but elected government cannot work without the permission or without recommendation of the military. Military power is enough than the elected government. Pakistan is the example of the totalitarian executive. It is the types of the executive, then functions. The chief executive first function is planning. All works, how works will form under the planning, and how works and orders or decisions of the houses or president or cabinet will implement. This planning is making by the chief executive. And second, organization. All kinds of the organization works under the chief executive. Means from lower to up. All kinds of the executive categories like DM, SDM and chief secretary. These kinds of the executive works under the chief executive. And number third, appointment of the staff. All kinds of the staff will appoint by the chief executive. Like in India, the chief justice, the governors, prime ministers, members of the cabinets and the council of the ministers, and the civil servants, all chairmen of the services, they will appoint by the chief executive. And this creating. And number fifth, coordination. And number sixth, report. These are the functions, finance arrangement, and to the suppressive and control administrative functions. So these are the functions of the chief executive. Students, okay, thanks.